Howdy everybody. Um, this is my first time filming since my daughter passed away, and so um, I'm going to try to get back to it and do my best to get caught up. So please bear with me, as I am not the most cheerful person right now, but and then yesterday my sister-in-law passed away, so it's been not so happy around here. Anyway, we're going to work on block 39, broken wheel. So I'll bring you down to the table and we'll get started on it. Block 39, broken wheel, consists of D3, which in my case is the pink, D5, which is the aqua, and our background pieces. From looking at my pieces, I can tell we're going to strip sew this, and we're going to do some flip and stitch to make diamond in a square. Looks like we have 4 with the background as the center, and it has the aqua on 3 of the corners. And the pink on 1 corner. So we're going to start by doing our diamond in the squares. We're going to take our friction pin and draw from corner to corner on all of the little colored squares, and then we will start that process of getting those all sewn on, and then we will do our strip piecing. So away we have my lines all drawn on the pink fabric, well, all the little squares. I'm going to start with the pink, and then I will do the green. So I'm going to put you on time lapse, and we'll get that done. Okay, we've sewn our strips together and pressed our seam open. Now we're going to subcut this into the size that the pattern specifies. So I will do that and then we'll finish setting up the block. Okay, our pieces have been subcut into 4 equal pieces. And the thing to remember about when you put this block together is your D3 color. All the pieces are going to be pointing toward the center. So it's going to look like that. So we're going to start by sewing these pieces together. A 1/4 inch, scant 1/4 inch, and then we will come back and add these, and then we'll sew the rows together. So I'm going to put you on time lapse and we're going to do that real quick. There we have it, broken wheel, block 39. I wanted to point out one thing. I have a seam that flipped, so I'm going to fix that. And other than that, everything's fine. It even came out the right measurement without even having to trim it. So we will get on to block 40, which is antique tile variation. So I'll be back in just a second. Well, that's it for today. So I'm going to say, be blessed, less stressed, and pet some fabric today. See you later.